Am I the only one who thought I'd have it all figured out by now? Because right now, my entrepreneur journey looks more like a tornado than a roadmap. Let's fix this together. Okay, here's the raw truth. I jumped into dropshipping, digital products, UGC, and even YouTube automation because everyone online says multiple income streams like it's a cheat code. But guess what? Now my to-do list is a nightmare. My focus is shattered, and I can barely remember what day it is. Sound familiar? First step to untangling this mess? Breathe. Seriously. Take one deep breath. Now grab a sheet of paper or open your notes app and list every project you're juggling. Just seeing it all in one place is a game changer. Now circle the one thing that excites you. Not the one that makes the most money. The one you'd work on even if nobody paid you yet. For me, that's YouTube automation, telling stories and building communities. Next, give yourself permission to or the rest. You don't have to quit forever. You're just parking them so you can actually finish something. Then, set a mini goal for your focus project. Not build $1 million business, more like post one video this week or launch one product page. Small wins build momentum. Bottom line, entrepreneurship isn't about doing, it's about doing at the right time. So, if your journey is a mess right now, you're not failing, you're learning. One step, one focus, one win at a time. You got this.